Fuck that.
Stop moving around.
Okay, anyway.
Hey everybody, it's That Hiking Guy here with That Hiking Girl Jr. I don't know why I keep calling you
I don't
that.
know either.
What do you need a moniker or some sort of gang name or something. I don't know. We are out in the Hitz-Rhodehamel, I can't pronounce it. We're at a trail that not too many people know about. This is not part of the forestry system. It's down by Nashville, Indiana, actually closer to Bean Blossom, Indiana. And it is 3 miles, and it is through a nature conservancy, conservatory. It's really windy, I hope you can hear me. We are going to take you along once again on another hike, and hopefully we'll see some beautiful sights. So come along, won't you?
Of course they will.
Of course they, oh jeez. All right, so come along with us. Top of this ridge, and there's just a view that is just gorgeous. I mean, I can't even.
I'm scared.
I just can't.
Hashtag
I can't. So thanks. I did a pan shot of it, and she took a picture of it, so it'll be in the video. But so far, we're probably what, half a mile in. This isn't bad at all. This isn't bad at all. I like this. It is very pretty. I don't know if you can see it, it's like right there. There is an eagle's nest, and we keep hearing it. We were hoping to get a picture of it, but it's way off there in the distance. Did I mention it's off in the distance? So if we get it flying around, hopefully we'll get a picture of it. I think it's actually in the nest. What do you think, Ashley? Hey kids. So we're about halfway through this trail right now, and we've only seen 2 other people on the trail. And the interesting thing about this is that it winds around the top of a ridge, but it also dips down into the valley. And I think we're getting ready to do another ascent. But even without leaves, it's beautiful, isn't it?
I get distracted. I was like,
oh, a tree. Yeah, really, really pretty. I think this is one of my favorite trails.
Mine too, mine too. I give this 2 thumbs up.
Way up trail. So if I can, once I learn how to pronounce this, the name of this, I will. I'll put a phonetic spelling, you know, in the description below. But no, you guys, this is a little hidden gem. You guys got to come out here and do this.
Nice, I like it.
Yeah. All right, here we go. Hey everybody, so we just got done. It was actually 3.5 miles because there's a little half-mile stretch you have to go to get to the loop. But overall, so around mile 2 you start getting into some elevation, and then it probably at mile 2.75 it starts to get a little more intense. But overall, nothing worse than anything we've had before. Like at Morgan Monroe was just the elevation there can get pretty hairy, like almost straight up. So straight up. Would you recommend this trail to beginners such as yourself?
Yes, I had handled it. You can handle it too.
There you go. Got a little huffy puffy.
Got a lot of breath.
A little bit of breath, but
shape.
but overall, it's a really good experience. I'm glad that not many people know about this. Of course, after I post this, then more people are going to know about it. But it's worth it. It's tucked away. Some beautiful hardwoods. Yeah. But I will caution you. So if you come at this time of year, it's hunting season right now. We only had 1 orange hat between us. So make sure everybody in your party has an orange hat, so that, or some orange on them, so the hunters can see you. We ran across a hunter, and he was pointing out where the other hunters were and said, "Hey, you guys need to be careful." So they do hunt around this trail, so just be careful during hunting season. Other than that, that's it. I mean, good time. I'm gonna eat my peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
I ate mine.
Piggy over here already ate hers. Anyway, I'm That Hiking Guy. Get out there and explore. See you later.